Alam mo guys, sinusumbat nila ang bigay ni Tuyin sa akin na damit. Pero hindi nila iniisip na si Tuyen ay may utang sa akin na 3.5 months working to her restaurant without salary. At alam mo kung anong sabi? Proud na proud. Hindi ko alam kung anak niya ba or sino man ang aatake sa akin dito sa Denmark. Ay kasi daw, yung nanay niya ay sanay na may assistant. Girl, kung sanay na sanay ka na may assistant, get or hired someone that you need to pay. Pay their salary. Ang arti-arti nyo, gusto nyo may assistant kayo, wala naman pala kayong pambayad na salary sa tutulong sa inyo. Hoy, for your information, I came from Kandari Antaran family, but my family didn't make me chimiaa assistant. Bagkos, I'm a spoiled brat. I have assistant too. I'll never carry heavy thing except that I want to carry. Do you understand? You cannot make me slave here in this country because you have assistant all of your life. You want assistant and you cannot manage to pay their salary? My gosh! Ang yabang-yabang nyo. Ako, inaapi-api nyo lang at pinapamukha sa akin ang mga bagay ng mga assistant nyo. Oy! Dumating ako sa country nito, hindi ako nangarap na maging chimiaa nyo for life. Kaya wala kayong karapatan na apak-apakan ako kung kailan nyo gusto. Naiintindihan mo ba, Mongoloid? That's for you. Slap to your brain so you can understand what you're saying. Fucking shit ka.